Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. It is the first working day back here in the Philippines. Okay, after the long holiday, first day high, we call it. Okay, and we're going to end the day with a break number 3 for the latest Marvel HeroClix set, Strange Tales. Okay, so let me share my screen to show the participants for this break number 3. We have yours truly, number one, Angel Ward, number 234. Larry at number 5. Larry is here. Okay. Angel Ward is also here, by the way. Leodge, number 6. Heinz Tomato Ketchup, 789. Chito is here, is number 10, as always. Okay, his favorite number. Angel Ward is 11, and the last entrant is Pete. Okay, so we don't have Joel. He said he's gonna watch in YouTube. Heinz is always just waiting for updates. Okay, via messenger. Chito, I think, might be at work right now. And Pete, we gave him a courtesy message, but he has not yet replied. Okay, that's fine. As always, we are also joined this evening by KL. Okay, so as our other witness to this particular break. And as always, we're going to randomize the list of participants, and slots 1 to 6 will be from left to right of the back of the brick, and slot 7 to 12 will be the from left to right of the front of the brick. By the way, we also have instituted our new bounty for the rare slots. And oh, sorry, I did not put pala the ano, the bounty for the rare. Okay. Or how do I do it? The bounty for the rare, I'm just gonna show it na lang because I did not put it on the slides yet. I knew I forgot something, but the bounty is a royal flash gum. This one. I'll show you guys. Where is it? King, our bounty A for Scarlet Witch is
Uy, Royal Flush.
uh, ki- King. King. The king comes with figure, and then the Ace legacy card, and a set of Royal Flash Gang Pogs. Okay.
I like Royal Flush.
Okay. So that's the bounty A, Scarlet Witch, identified by Pete. So Pete is just arrived. So thank you very much for that. Okay. Now, oh, hello. We can hear you, Pete. We are already recording. Just be
Recording, yeah.
recording that. Again, this is let me just type it in. Uh,
Bounty,
Bounty A is Royal Flush. Bounty A is
Royal Flush.
King, Ace, and Royal Flush Gang bystanders.
Pogs na naman yun.
Pogs.
Para
Okay.
may stick. Oo.
Okay. So, and then Bounty B is for Blade Rare. Okay. So these are the black ones. The Black Panther and the
Hindi,
Dokkan
hindi, hindi,
people.
yan yung hindi nakuha last time, no? Sa X-Men.
Hindi nakuha. Extend
Sabi
lang.
ko may matitirang isa eh.
Hindi, dalawa. Kasi the other one, hindi rin nakuha. Hulk,
Nye!
which is Bounty C.
Ay, hindi rin nakuha yung pangalawa?
Hindi rin, hindi rin.
Nye!
So anyway, so these are our 3 bounties.
Wide.
So
Very wide.
hopefully we hit all of them because again, the goal is to balance things out. Julian is also here. Welcome, Sandy. Let's jump into the randomizer. Okay, so let's see how many times we'll roll the dice. The list 10. Okay. Yesterday we had a very low count. So 10.
Wow,
So
10.
do this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. You can take a
Okay.
look at your
Uy,
position,
gusto ko yung number ko ah.
and then we'll share it to the PowerPoint once again. Let's put it there. Okay. Mhm. Okay, so Larry, Chito, Angel Ward, Leoj, Ketchup, Heinz, Angel Ward, Tomato, Pete, Jasper, Angel Ward, Angel Ward. That is the order. Don't worry, I have it on my list anyway. So at this point, we will add the spotlight. I'll remove the spotlight from my phone. Spotlight. There you go. So this is our strange brick. Huh? We're By the way, the boosters from Lyndon's Brick Break are already with me. I'll probably be able to bring it during the
Bilis ah.
during the Pinoy HeroClix and Anniv tourney because this Saturday I'm not so sure if I can play. Okay, because my wife has a full day work. This is the alternate card. We will raffle this off.
So baka wala ka this Saturday.
Hindi ako, oo. So, but we can ship. We can always ship, guys.
Oh, okay.
Legacy card. We will raffle that up at the end of the brick break. So, good luck to us. I hope we get a good chase. Larry got the
Ano, Bri?
Doctor Strange. This
So
the
wala na
other,
yung tarot card ng Doctor Strange.
yeah. This the other half, by the way, of the brick from comic Odyssey. That's why it's a bit.
Ano yun? May nangyari ba doon sa Doctor Strange na yun?
What do you mean?
Sinabi niya nun, may glinu daw siya doon? May bumagsak doon?
Tanggal yung kamay nung napon ni Larry.
Okay.
And then, yeah, so let's see what's the other half of the cases. Let's begin with Larry. Larry boy.
Hula ko, Chase Doom. Feeling.
Good luck. Booster number 1, Larry. Ay,
Okay.
Ramdam ko, Chase Doom.
okay. Larry.
Pero yung prime ang hindi ako sure.
Chase Doom, no? Mataas yung chance sa Chase Doom to.
Yung prime ang hindi ako sure.
Up.
Uy, Astral.
Astral, Baron Mordo. Scarlet Witch, that's one of our bounty.
Rare na yan? Yung rare ba yan?
Rare. Gusto mo
Ay,
ng
galing.
Royal Flash Gang? You got it?
Oh, yan. Congrats, Lars.
Vampire, Cat, and Doctor Strange.
Congrats, Lars.
There's a one-shot Flames of Faltine.
Oh, may one shot pa. Oh, congratulations.
Nice.
Oh, you got what you wanted,
Larry.
Larry. Kinol mo yan eh.
Larry. Sorry, iba yung view ng iba yung view ng camera.
Anong one shot yun?
Flames of Faltine. Number 2 is Chito. Okay.
Chito ka.
Okay. Let's see. And
Chito.
of course, if you want to trade items, sell items, just tell it to me so I can move things up.
Okay.
This is Paranormal Investigator.
Okay.
Lahat naka-cloak ka. Darkhold Redeemer.
Redeemer.
Yan. KL is here to guide me. Umar, the Unrelenting.
Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Puro mga hindi
Lahat
kilala.
naka-cloak. Lahat, mystical It's a mystical pack. Dr. Druid and Frankencastle. Oh, this is what is
SR.
it is.
Yung SR.
SR Chito, Frankencastle.
Congratulations, Chito. Finally, naka-SR ka na.
Finally, you got
After
since X-Men, wala pa siyang naihit ng X-Men.
Wala. Prime Bishop lang yata.
Prime
Bishop. Hindi talaga para sa kanya X-Men.
Frankencastle, super
Frankencastle, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Good for
Finally,
Chito.
I have
Finally.
good news kay Chito. Ano ba? Chito. The next one is Angel Ward.
Nagkakaapat ba na SR dito? Hindi.
I think it happens.
Or kasi ang kasama dyan, di ba yung whatever that is, what do you call that thing, the pods, the
Panel,
possessors
panel.
ba yun?
The
The
panel.
paano?
Oo.
Di ba SR din kasi yun minsan?
SR, oo. Angel Ward, 1 of 4.
Grabe.
Hop,
Oh, Astral. Ay, yan.
Dormammu.
Dormammu, rare.
Sino yung pumasok?
Bakit may plastic? Oh,
Baka yun yung
kasi may
panel.
plastic.
Baka panel. Oo.
Ah,
Chito, kakatapos lang nan sa'yo. You
congrats,
got,
Chito, may
you got
SR
a
ka.
super rare Franken Castle. Okay, super rare. Baron
Baron
Mordo,
Mordo.
Scarlet
Sunod
Witch,
ba?
Astral. Sino tong red? Ka, ka,
Mystical.
ano? Casilius,
Casilius.
Casilius, and Clea. And a one-shot.
Clea.
Ay, natanggal yung card sa plastic.
Okay.
Oo.
Yeah.
So,
Okay lang yun.
you have a one-shot. We'll make sure that all the cards are here. Bolts of Bolt Hack. Bolt Hack.
Okay.
Both of
Congrats.
Yes.
Okay. So this is
Dormammu.
Dormammu A1 for
A1. A1, steak sauce. A1.
A1.
A1. AI daw, oh. Grabe.
AI. Number 4 is Joel Leodge.
Oh, ito na. Si Joely.
Will it be a one-pack magic? We'll find out.
One pack magic. Uy,
Yeah.
parang
Blade. This is
Blade.
a bounty. The blade is a bounty.
Ay, congrats.
Yep.
Nick Fury or
Nick Fury, LMD.
LMD. Baron Mordo.
Baron Mordo.
Hannibal.
Hannibal King.
Hannibal,
Yeah.
And
Hannibal King.
Clea.
And Clea.
Let's see if we
Pero
have
si Clea, mas mukha bang Scarlet Witch case na kay Clea.
Scarlet Witch. Parang ano siya dito parang bad Scarlet Witch na ata siya dito.
Pa-sexy yung Clea dyan.
Okay. Congratulations for the
bounty to
this bounty.
African-American bounty.
African-American bounty.
Sorry. We're being politically correct.
Leodge. Okay, bounty. Number 5 and 6 is Ketchup and Heinz. Ayan na naman si Heinz.
Eto na tayo sa magical numbers.
Wow.
Ayan na. Patay tayo dito. 5 muna sa ilalim. Ilalim muna, Jasper.
5.
Ano tayo? Ang tawag dito, may structure tayo.
Okay. Number 5 is Ketchup.
Ketchup Eusebio.
Enchantress. Yep, Enchantress.
Nick
Fury, LMD.
LMD. Doctor Strange yung nakikita ko. I can see a Doctor Strange.
Rare.
Yung rare yan. Yan yung rare.
Dracula.
And,
a patron. Uy, SR. Ano ba? SR and rare plus a panel. Not bad.
Ano yung SR dyan? Yung Dracula?
Dracula.
Tapos yung rare, is this the panel rare na Doctor Strange?
Yeah, rare.
Yung panel, yung nagdadalawang panel na Strange? Yan yun,
Hindi. Depende.
Ay, hindi?
Oo, may mga boosters na, may mga brick na walang ganong double panel.
No. I mean yung pwedeng gumamit ng, di ba yun yung Doctor Strange na pwedeng gumamit?
Ito yan.
Yan. Maganda yan.
And, let's see.
Grabe naman. Walang palya talaga tong
Walang palya talaga si Heinz. So,
Ketchup Eusebio. Grabe.
Ketchup. Parang mas malakas.
Hinanap ko yung card ng panel, naalala ko wala palang card yung
parang mas malakas yung Ketchup kaysa kay Heinz.
Well, hindi, yung tomato, actually.
Yung tomato ang malakas.
Nakakatakot nakakatakot yung tomato.
Okay, number 6 is Heinz.
Heinz.
Okay. This is the last booster of the back. Okay, parang solid to Morbius.
Rare pa si Morbius?
Rare.
Ayan na yung rare.
Astral. Agatha?
Wong?
Which?
Agatha. I think
mindless. Kaya
mabigat. Astral.
Yep.
Mindless one.
Astral and
Astral.
Wala. And Shield.
Shield Agent.
No, let's see if there is a one shot.
One shot.
Wala. Kasi
Kaya siya
No one
mabigat.
kaya mabigat. Meron.
Minus one.
I
may
see
one
10
shot.
reels of Ictalon.
Parang maraming one shot this time, no?
Yes, seemingly.
Seemingly.
Let's see.
Sino number 7? Angel Ward na ba to? Angel
H.
Ward.
Number 7 is Angel Ward. H. Number
Ano na,
7
A2.
is Angel Ward.
2.
Okay, 2. A2. Let's see. 2 out of 4.
So, minus one pala mabigat. Okay.
Mabigat.
Tsaka soft.
Minus 1. Up.
Okay,
Up,
may
up.
panel.
Bubble wrap.
Parang panel.
Panel.
Pero parang panel.
Panel.
Panel nga.
Mindless 1.
Minus one.
Rare.
Bloodstorm.
Bloodstorm.
Uy, gusto ko yan, Bloodstorm.
Hannibal King? Hannibal King ba?
That's
No.
not Hannibal King.
This is Darkhold Redeemer. And
Okay.
Redeemer. And Paranormal
Investigator. Okay, let's see who is
You're
the
welcome.
panel. It's Jericho Drum.
Jericho Drum.
Okay, or
AKA
commonly known
Dr.
as
Voodoo.
Dr. Voodoo,
Dr.
the
Voodoo.
brother of Sister Cersei.
Voodoo.
Voodoo.
Okay. So that's number 7.
Wala pang chase?
Wala
Wala
pa.
pa.
Uy, exciting.
Wala pang prime. Sa pa yun.
No prime, no chase.
No, tsaka dalawang SR pa lang. Dracula and
Number
Frankenstein Castle.
number 8 is Tomato. Ito si Tomato.
ito na nakakatakot.
Tomato is
Tomato is Doctor Strange.
Oh.
Kita ko na kagad. Ay, hindi. Sino yan?
Caecilius.
Caelicius.
Jedi? Nico
Rare.
Agatha.
Agatha.
Dormammu.
And Azrael.
Akat.
Akat.
Familiar.
And a vampire.
And vampire.
Uy,
Uy.
umiiwas.
Uy, wow. Sa dulo ng walang
Sa
hanggan.
dulo, sa dulo.
Sa dulo ng walang hanggan.
Agatha Rare that's the last booster of Heinz. Okay.
Masaya na ako sa Dr. Doom chase joke.
Oo naman, we all have a chance.
we all, katama ka doon, Jasper, lagya ka.
Wala pa ako.
Hindi
pa ako lumalabas.
Number 9.
Number 9 is Pete.
Hala!
Good luck. Uy, parang solid
Go, Pete.
Sana hindi mindless
Could be a
one.
chase. That could be a chase.
This could be a
It
chase.
could be.
I feel...
Yep.
Oh, chase! Dr.
And there it is.
Doom!
I knew it!
I knew
Yahoo!
Congratulations, Pete.
Salamat!
Chase,
Thank
Dr.
you.
Doom. Baron
Astron
Mordo.
Mordo.
Okay, thank you.
Dr. Druid. Scarlet Witch Astral. And mabigat.
Wow,
ang
ang ganda.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Nahuli talaga.
Congrats.
Pwede naman
Congrats there, Pete.
Thank you.
Let's
Been
see.
a while.
Dr. Doom chase.
Dr. Doom. Badum. Okay, I'm happy.
Okay. Congratulations, Pete. Good.
Salamat, Jasper.
This is Pete.
Nakita mo na yung Cersei?
Ay,
Not yet.
Sister Cersei, mamaya, PM kita. Alam ko may
Yes.
4 ako nun eh. O, di kapal na mukha ako na
Yes.
4.
Number 10 is
Huwag ka
myself.
mag-alala.
Number 10 is myself. Nako, wala na.
May prime pa, Hoy.
May prime pa.
May
Ano bang
prime pa. Walang
Baka
prime
ho.
sa kabila, di ba? Oh.
May prime blade sa kabila.
Meron ba?
It's okay.
Tingnan
Let's
natin,
see.
malay mo, dalawa.
Up.
Up.
Shield
SR?
Star.
Shield Agent.
Nick Fury.
Rear LMD.
Uy, parang shield. Puro
Dum-dum
shield.
Dugan.
Parang, baka Nick Fury SR.
Shield booster.
Shield.
Shield, you know. It's shield.
Shield. It's a
Oh, Nick
shield. It's a
SR ka?
shield pack.
Nick Fury SR.
SR
yes.
Nick Fury. SR Nick
O, sabi
Fury.
ko sa'yo eh. Oh. Pwede na, Jasper. Congrats.
Okay.
That's a
Yeah.
good one.
Puro
That's a good
shield.
one.
Bong.
Puro shield.
Maganda
Ano
yan.
ba?
Oh, that's a good one.
Okay.
Oh.
It's okay.
It is.
And number
The mystical
11 and
shield.
12 is Angel Ward.
So,
Ano
ito
nakuha
may
mo?
chance
Ano
ng
nakuha mo, Jazz?
Shield,
Nick Fury.
Fury
Nick
SR.
Fury. Ano siya? Puro shield.
Yes.
Shield
Shield
pack.
Nick
booster
Fury
Larry.
SR?
Oh,
Yes.
puro shield. Puro shield. Puro shield figure.
It's a
Keyword.
shield booster, basically. Ito
Angel
may
Ward.
chance ng prime. Nightmare.
Nightmare.
Nakita ko na.
Nightmare.
Nightmare
Ano
talaga.
ka?
Astral.
Sino to? Frank Drake,
Frank Drake.
Astral Dormammu, and a cat.
And a cut.
Cat.
Let's see if there's a one shot.
I hate the cut.
I thought
Bakit? Ang dami mo naman
Why?
pupunta.
I thought
Why
you
do you
like
hate the cat, dude?
you like
It's so
you
small.
like pussies, di ba?
Pantay tayo dyan.
Dude, camera.
I cat.
Ay, grabe.
That's the plural of cats.
Yeah, there's a
Grabe
small-
kayo.
But I won't hate.
Grabe
8-3.
kayo. O, A4 na. Driving school na ngayon.
So this should be a super rare, if I'm not mistaken.
Well, tatlo na. Kung 4 yung super rare, that would be the 4th.
What's the 3 super rares?
Yes. The spirit, Frank Castle.
Dracula, Fury,
Dracula. Yep.
tsaka yung nauna ni Angel.
Frank Castle.
What was the first? Hindi, si yung
Frankenstein.
Frankenstein.
Dracula, Frankencastle, Dracula, and Shield.
Cheetah. And
Nick Fury.
Nick Fury. Yung sa'yo. Oh, Doctor
Doctor
Strange.
Strange. Yeah, common.
Enchantress.
Enchantress.
Shield, whatever.
One agent.
Oh.
Oy,
Go.
Ghost Rider
Ghost
with
Rider?
a funnel.
Para sa kayo napunta lahat ng panel, no?
And then si Heinz got a funnel. This is the
Oh, okay.
Nightmare
Nightmare.
Nightmare.
funnel.
Oh, eksakto.
And,
Nakuha niya yung tao ng Nightmare. Eh.
let's see the one shot. Kung meron. One shot, Winds of Watum.
Oh, wow. Congrats.
Okay. So this
Two booster.
8-4.
Congratulations, guys.
Oy, Pete,
Yep.
don't go. We still have
But the real winner is Pete here.
the
Who
Doom.
got the Doom Chase.
Ano kasi, pinalitan niya na yung Madeline Pryor na nakuha ko in one booster. Dahil, binatawag ko na kay Kenay. Kailangan ko na makakuha ng one booster ulit.
Oy, nako, pwede pala akong mag-ano sa'yo, Pete, ha?
Ha?
Message ka na
Hindi.
ako, ha?
Hindi. Ayusin natin yung sa'yo. Huwag ka mag-alala. Meron
Okay.
akong balak na gawin eh. Hintayin mo na lang muna. Yung surprise.
Okay. Let's roll now for our legacy card.
Legacy.
Okay.
Sana me. I want that legacy.
Nako, critical
Larry.
critical
Snake Eyes.
miss.
Uy, Christmas.
So, isa lang.
KL.
1.
I'm not joining, dude.
And Larry.
Grabe.
Legacy. Let's check.
Try Sentinel.
Let's check.
Sana.
Dormammu.
Larry,
Princess,
pag iba yan ha.
Ego
Usap
Princess
tayo.
Berangke to.
Huwag naman. Nakuha niya na yun eh. Huwag
1,
naman.
2,
3.
Imperial Hydra.
Imperial Hydra. Yeah.
Hydra chair.
Medyo sad.
Bakit?
But
Ano ba
I
yun?
have that. I have that.
Oh,
Yeah,
di ba,
but it's
you
hard
do.
to use.
di ba meron kang Black Panther chair, Chair Panther, ito Hydra chair. Chair Hydra.
Yes.
Yes, pero it's kinda, hindi yan metamlay. Metamlay.
Yeah.
So, it's almost
Hindi natin alam, mayroong secret na
Malay
biglang
natin.
lumalakas.
biglang lumalakas. Oo.
Oo.
Ano daw to? Malakas daw to sa silver. Oo.
Okay.
Pag mga ganyan kasi madaming Hydra. So anyway, thank you very much everyone. Congratulations to all who hit the SR and the bounties. And of course, our big winner for tonight is Pete. I will take
Thank
pictures
you.
of everything. If you want to trade, just tell me in the chat. Again, we can ship out or January 17, I'll be there in the Pinoy HeroClix anniversary games. See you then, guys. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Night, night.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
guys.